So, if you work in the cloud, you know that January brings this special kind of dread. It's that moment of truth, right? When you finally have to look at the bill from all your December work, all those experiments and holiday traffic. It really is a classic battle. You versus your wallet.
You know that feeling, don't you? That little knot in your stomach right before you open the billing console, just bracing for the impact. It's a running joke in the developer community, but honestly, it can be a really painful way to start the new year.
But what if this year could be different? I mean, really different. What if you had an insider, an AI agent built by Amazon, specifically designed to go to war for you? Well, today, we're going to look at how that's not just a what if anymore. Yeah, let's talk about it. The January bill shock. It's like this horrible holiday tradition nobody asked for. It's predictable, but somehow it still manages to be a nasty surprise when that email lands in your inbox.
And you know what's really behind it? It's almost always the same usual suspects. It's that test environment you spun up and then completely forgot about. It's those beefy instances you provisioned just in case. Or it's all the resources you scaled up for the holiday rush that are now just sitting there, quietly bleeding your budget dry.
And this is where our hero enters the picture, the Amazon Q Developer Agent. This is a whole new set of tools designed to tackle these exact problems. We're talking about an AI that goes way beyond just writing some code. It actually helps manage and optimize your entire environment.
The agent basically wages a two-front war on waste. First, it's like a forensic accountant for your AWS account, hunting down every last cent of financial waste. And second, it becomes your personal robot assistant, handling all that mind-numbing refactoring work that usually eats up your weekends.
So let's talk about the first, and maybe the most immediately satisfying part, hunting down those zombie resources. This is all about eliminating pure unnecessary spending.
So what in the world is a zombie resource? Well, think of them like ghosts in your machine. They're the unattached storage volumes, the idle IP addresses, the S3 buckets you forgot you even made. They're not doing any useful work for you, but you better believe they are showing up on your bill month after month.
And the best part, the process is so simple it's almost funny. You literally just ask you to find the waste in your account. It gives you a list of these zombies. You take a quick look to make sure they're really not needed, and then with one click, poof, they're gone. It's like an instant ka-ching of money you just saved.
Okay, saving money is fantastic. We love that. But the agent doesn't stop there. What about saving your most valuable, non-renewable resource? Your time. This is where its refactoring skills are an absolute game changer.
I mean, just look at the difference here. Think about something like upgrading your code from Java 8 to 17. The old way? You're manually digging through your entire code base, a job that could easily take your whole weekend and is just full of opportunities to mess something up. The Q agent way? It's automated. It generates the code and it even creates the GitHub pull request for you. It's insane.
And this isn't just hype. As one developer said, what used to take them all weekend, the agent just did during a coffee break. I mean, come on. This isn't just a small productivity boost. This is about getting your life back.
So what does all this really mean? It means we have to start thinking differently. Your cloud bill is not some fixed inevitable cost you just have to swallow. With tools like this, it becomes a variable, something you can actually control.
You just don't have to accept that January bill shock has a fact of life anymore. You don't have to let your cloud bills slowly bleed you dry with 1,000 little cuts from zombie resources and wasted weekends. The path forward is actually really clear. The tool is out there, it's available right now. The first step is simple. Turn on the agent and just let it do its thing. It is a direct, powerful way to start putting real money back in your pocket this year. So as we step into this new world of AI-assisted everything, you've really got to ask yourself a simple question. Who's actually in charge of your wallet? Is it going to be you, or is it going to be a cloud provider? The choice, and now the tool, is yours.